That program is the maddest thing and the baddest thing, and anybody when I watch Jamaica Good Life, your life are the saddest thing. Me to tell you. And me make you hot. Yo, B, yo, and me make you hot. Don't forget to say, me make you hot. Watch out. Girl get a touch off of me and make her come up. Dep on IG and her mouth she a run up. Bow from she left me, her thing turn up. My girl better if you shut up. Me make you hot. Yo, chick, yo, and me make you hot. Don't forget to say, me make you hot. Remember, Jamaica Good Life. You should like. Attack. That's good?
That's good. Good. Was? Give me the name.
Okay, cool. Ready? Yeah, man, you don't know, so what's a representative? I represent for Jamaica Good Life, you know, from that time to this time. People, when they say unity, when they talk about dancehall, when they talk about love, you talk about Jamaica Good Life. Some people only highlight the bad part of Jamaica. These are the good side. These are the side where make everybody want forward and come all a vibe with way. And this Bob Marley they talk about when him talk about one love. Yeah. And that's something here. Jamaica Good Life and I was represent one of the baddest and the maddest. Them know that.
Yeah. Who is was? Yeah, so explain to them who is was.
Well, they don't know, so what's just a youth from Kesha Park where I do music, and you don't so music are my calling. So we do music for over, we don't call it so like 15 years professionally, you see me? And we get to a big break in 2009 with a true name. No lock off the sun, officer. Go on like you take man for clone, officer. You see me? So after that now we do cry for the youths and skip them out and girl you act like fire.
This cry for the youth.
You see me? This are the cry for the people. This are the cry for the people. When things are nice with the people, you ma fight for the people. With all my might for the people. When Babylon has study evil, hey yo, the devil is alive, I'ma feel him breathing. Him roaming at the morning, noon and the evening. A Jah give away life, and we still deceiving. Him shower the blessing, but we're not receiving. The baby father run, we left the woman breathing. The pitney banana still can't get no feeding. Gone man out and more than a life them seeking. Me want to wake up, this is like we dreaming. So me have to cry for the ghetto youths, them oh, you see me? I know the video out for that. And that video there one of the best video I do, because a video like that, when we do cry for the youths and video, then 80 go through the tragedy and then them rise back my song. You see me? Because you know out of bad come good, you see me? And whatever media sing about them couldn't relate, so the song got #1 right after the 80 scenario. BBC actually play, you know, bits and pieces of my song and talk about the tribute, which was a song we do before, but it automatically them use it as a tribute. You see me? And what's the youth are multi-talented, because at the same time we can do heartfelt song like Cry for the Youth, we still can come back and say, take a boy girl and return her back. Take away your girl and return her back, you see me? Tune like them there where the streets care about, you see me? So we just always try to mix it up, because you know, variety of the spice of life, so what's try to mix it up and thing. And Kesha Park is a place like that, you know, say, we have the best footballer, them, the best artists, the best carpenter, the best selector, the best at everything. You see me? And we just say we're going to unite and take it to the next level. So in a Kesha Park, you don't know, we try to display the talent, you see me? At all costs. You see, we used to do a Gully Bank and every artist from Bounty Killer to Beanie Man used to forward, and we have to prove to them so we worthy too. You see me? And that's how comes Jamaica Good Life now. We have to represent for a program like that, because at the same time, and as we say, people only highlight the bad side. Even when I youth do a gun song, sometimes him just a document what him see. Yeah. And instead of him said, the youth them, him put himself as a shooter, but really it's just a story he tell about where him grew up and say, you see me? So people highlight the good side of it, and that's why we love Jamaica Good Life, you see me? Definitely.
So what are some of the big features that you've done before?
The big features, I mean, collaboration.
Yeah.
Well,
like shows.
Alright, you see, like collaboration now is a youth where over the years I try to do less collaboration, because it's hard to get people together, you see me? Sometimes me have the time, the artists who me I collaborate with don't have the time. Sometimes when me want to do a poster like a video, the artists have other plans, so I do less. But this year now, I start spread my wing again and say, you know what, I do it for the fans them. So I put my own selfish feelings aside and say, you know, we have a collaboration. So, the first collaboration is a song named Me Make You Hot, as you know, just the P-side, you know, early on, with me and Yanni Kirby Diva. She had a beautiful host Magnum over the years, and you know, she's also an artist too. So when I write the song about my own personal life, because anything when I sing, I live it. So when me write it and I go off on the girl and I say, yo, I know that song you couldn't take a girl perspective, like a girl for answer me, can me do them up body in the song, you see me? And I call Yannick and she come represent. They have one with version named Badman. But the name, you know, when people get, you know, timid by the name only show people say, really and truly as like a man will call himself a bad man, is a man who protect him family, protect his community. He's going to stand for something. And more time when you stand for something, you become a bad man. Because even Moses, you see me, did have to defend it at all costs. David still go like, you see me say, none of we never no lamb to the slaughter. So that's why my aversion, I think, go in at that particular song. Yeah, we have one with Tifa come out. That one in a release yet. It named The Angry Side Chick. You know, some more time you have a girl and you have a little side chick. Yeah. You know, have to keep the side chick. If you have promised her, say, yo, one day to come, you are going to be wifey when your wifey kick off. And that keep her going. You see me? So, after 2-3 years, and you tell her that she start to say, yo, you tell me this, this thing I got cut from road 6 months ago, I know, 2 years. So, Tifa, a different thing and a different thing. So, we do a couple collaboration, we have many more.
Sure.
You see me? We work a couple shows over the years. You see me, we do Sting, we do a couple of the Sting them, because you know what's Sting, makes sense, you see me? You see me, Sumfest 2009, Bounty Killer called me up, and then them booked me by myself, 2010, you see me, we go shows like, there's a thing in Africa now, them have a beer, I forgot what the name, I think a larger beer or something like that, in Africa we do like a 2 festival, me, Giovanni, Fantan, and Cockatoo. Barris was supposed to be a part of it, but some technical difficulties and something. It never worked. But me, Fantan Moja, and my brother Giovanni, we go Shell Africa, Zimbabwe to be exact. You see me? So we do a whole heap of show. Whole heap of shows going California, Canada. You know, these people call me, I'm just go shell it, peanut style, you see me?
You have an Instagram and website?
Yeah man, when you come on to Instagram now, you don't know it's WASP above average. So people, Facebook, Twitter, Insta, everything. My Viva WASP above average.
Can you give them the correct spelling of WASP? You know?
Yeah, well, correct spelling for WASP is just how WASP really spelled, W-A-S-P. You see me, a lot of people think me done change something, but you have to think about it as I start young. Yeah, so while I start young now, when I even look on the name spelling, we just say, yo, what's the name? We spell it exact, you see me? So W-A-S-P for the WASP, you see me? Above average, so you know, so you can look for me anywhere. WASP above average, you see me?
Where did you get the name?
How I get the name? If you keep it 100, how I get the name, you know, after me love music and fall in love with music around 94, you see me? Beenie Man was my favorite DJ, and you know, we see Harry Toddler and Ninja for them in the community, and I said, yo, the man have artist name. So I couldn't go near Marvin Clark, you see me, nobody wouldn't take it serious. So I said to Ninja Ford, which is one of my idols in the music, like, yo, we're gonna need a serious name. And he might run some bag of joke and I said Ninja Cow. Ninja Cow. Some bag of something. But when him say Ninja Was, I say, yo, this have a sting to it. And me always a attack. You see me? So comes now, listen, I like the name now, the Was attack. Bring my son to my son. Okay, my son. Yeah, Mark here. Hello, Mark here. Big them up. So a future artist this as well. Yeah, he have the swag already, you know. He have the swag already. He have the lyrics already. You want to sing something, Mark here? No, I'm shy. You're kind of shy. You get it from me, so my baby mother way more braver than me, you see me? Yeah. Tell me something about Kesha Park. Well, Kesha Park is a community, as I say, multi-talented. There are talented people in a Kesha Park. You see me, you have from the mechanic, footballer, and everything. Come up here, turn and ride with it. You see me? So, in a Kesha Park now, you know, say, we come learn how to do music. And not just music, we learn to be the best musician. Because you have Father Boy around here, so you see me, the great Dean Fraser, which is the #1 saxophonist, you know, so him around the road, so Toots and Natal and all these people. You see me, Kesha Park people. Different. Yeah. It can't be the same. So after a while of me doing my thing, them say King of Kesha Park now. So them label me now. Say King of Kesha Park and them say that because after me go to boom and drop my first mixtape 2006, which is the buzz. You see me? I realize you see me? Video this in a real time, I show them how real this is. My son is come on, jump on. Alright, they can pedal off and go. See me? Let me tell you, go to the side, you know what to do. Go to the side now. Alright, Jamaica good life. So people who know this, as I mentioned, even Jamaica good life, I for sure them say we are you to take care of you them too. We don't just spend our money on things. You can't right go on my boss. You see me, we don't just spend our money on them, we play a part in our youth like that. So they must busy. I'm a baby mother, so yo, she have some things to do, so if we can keep him, me and I not together again, but You see me? I make sure put my thing aside and represent for the youth. You see me? I'm stay with the mother, so it's only fair that when she want to make a move, I take him. You see me? So today me and my father go studio and the whole 9 yards, you see me?
And that's also some of the things when the youth say really want, they miss their father guidance.
Yes.
Yes. A lot of them.
Yes, so the streets are go a lot of way because father and the boat and thing. And I want to say this, we're glad we hold a conversation too. Some of the time we blame the father them, sometimes another the father them, sometimes the wicked mother them too. You see me? And the reason I use the term wicked not for all. You see me? Because we love the woman them 100%, but some of them make some poor decision. This the real father, and go there with some little waste man, and then when you look now, the youth them end up blame the father for not being there, not knowing so the mother make some poor decision will affect not just the child but the bond with the father, son or the father-daughter relationship. You see me? So now for big up the real father them will hold it out, big up the real mother them too will make decisions were better for them youth and not for themselves. Because a lot of time even me want to do some things and because I'm a son and because I'm a daughter I have to think twice like yo my child but I do that, you see me? Because we are thinking about them. A lot of people make selfish decisions, not knowing so we go trouble the youth them with them there. You see me? So Jamaica Good Life have to represent for the real good father them and more importantly, just parents on a level where make decisions were better for them child opposed to for themselves. You see?
Respect.
Respect, man. So what are some of the obstacles what stop you right now?
Well, obstacle is always there, but nothing now stop me. 2020, may I take over 2020. So may I say this on a platform like this. I say it the other day on another program and thing, and me only them say speak it into being. So over the years, was boss and do some song where we take on to flesh and people take on to my music them. But this year is the year where Wassa go run the place. Him know what I go, man. Him know more. You see me? This year the year when Wassa go come run the place. Real talking, a real time. 2020 vision, but on a 2020 mission. You see me? Yeah. That's what I'm doing. So I'm a thing, man, and as I say, nothing else stop me. With the obstacles are always there, you don't know, stumbling block are there, but we don't make nothing stop with. If we see a wall, I will have to go over there, either we climb over or we try to break on the wall. You see me? But something have to happen, we don't make nothing stop with. No man, no woman, nobody have the power there. Only the Almighty and the Almighty same help those work themselves. So me I work tirelessly here right now. I got my horse. I do a show last night. I'm a horse today. And I have 3 songs for record today. That's 3. You see me? I lay down 3 tracks where I build it from scratch too. So the beat I got build around them and everything today. You see me? My son I got see the action for the first. Cause first I go carry. Normally when I have my work, I leave him with the mother, but today I'm not trying to put the term for the work. Go to the sidewalk, please and thanks.
Respect.
So today I'm gonna be one of them days where I have to just work throughout it even though I'm kind of horse.
Alright, sir.
Yeah man. But yo,
give thanks.
Thanks to pass through.
Give them the handles again.
Yes man, you see me? No sir, I was a represent for Good Life, Jamaica Good Life. You see me? One of you know sir, the real. Come on the side. No, I'm not really curve on yeah man, ready? Yeah, so once again, say you don't know your tour through Cassia Park, a small tour that is easy me get a little bit for know us and know about some of the track them we do already and the one where I work on. You me? As me say, you can follow me, Wasp Above Average, WASPABOVEAVEARGE. You see me? Wasp Above Average. I hope everybody hear that a while ago. You see me? Just follow me on Twitter, Instagram. I'm mainly on Instagram, so if you want to talk to me, you can slide in my DM. You see me? I see them. You see me? My answer to you think of that? Your girlfriend living on my DM. She messaged me from AM to PM. Dog, I post 3 pictures and she see them. Now she want ride on the G like a rhythm. So me say, don't blame me, blame IG. The baby mother say she like me. She run the loving for me, she kindy. Me touch it and me give you back your wifey. You can't live in my DM like a new apartment. Me live in her belly and me never pay a cent. Yeah, you pay the rent and me give you the lend. Beat it up till the neighbor tell me stop the violence. 10 step of the rest of them from grade 9. Me been a get FaceTime before FaceTime. While you are watch a girl like TV same time. She they be said that you are IG me same time. Remember Jamaica Good Life. I was. Attack.
Attack. The fire, yo.
Alright, so